Hello, and welcome to the Eckermann Forms instructional video on the functionality of the online searches and Form 1 ordering system. To begin, click here. Simply enter your email and password and select Log In. This is the first screen that you will view when you log in. As you can see, there are a couple of jobs already entered, and these are the job and payment statuses that you can view, which gives you a general overview of the progress of requested jobs. You also have the option to have a general login, which will enable you to see all jobs associated with your agency. Log in using that generic email and password and select the desired salesperson from this drop-down menu to see all jobs associated with their name. To submit a request, click on Create Request and select the salesperson. The 4 approval questions have been auto-populated so that Eckermann Forms completes the vendor's questionnaire with the vendor, has the vendor sign the Form 1, and for the vendor to pay for the searches and preparation upfront. The final question is populated to show that the agent will serve the Form 1 on the purchaser. However, Eckermann Forms can also do this for you. If you select Eckermann Forms to serve the Form 1 on the purchaser, they will do so via email, copying in the agent and requesting a delivery receipt. Once the delivery receipt is received, this will be forwarded to the sales agent to signify that the Form 1 has been served and cooling off, if applicable, has commenced. There are drop-down options under each approval question, which can be selected to tailor each request. In this example, we will leave them as auto-populated. Simply scroll down to the vendor information and add in their details. If there is more than one vendor, add in the applicable details by selecting Add Additional Vendor Contact Details. To remove, select Remove Additional Vendor Contact Details. If the vendor's sale address is the same as their postal address, tick this box and it will auto-populate all of the information required. If the property is going to auction, select Yes. If you do know the date, please enter it here. If not, it will let you submit without putting a date in. Also, if you know the volume and folio, please add that in as well. Under the request heading, this is where you select what type of property it is, as well as the service you would like Eckermann Forms to provide. Note, there is the option to request contract preparation for all property types. Once the property type and services requested are selected, the pricing will populate. We also offer a staggered service option for selected searches to be ordered immediately, with the balance of required searches and the preparation of the Form 1 and contract, if applicable, to be completed at a later date. All other options are ordered in full and completed as soon as possible. For this example, we will choose Residential and Torrents and select the Searches and Form 1 service offering. Then select Submit Request. After each request, you will be diverted to this screen. As we had selected for Eckermann Forms to complete the questionnaire with the vendor, you can select No to be taken to the job overview screen. Once the request has been submitted, Eckermann Forms will contact the vendor to confirm their instructions to proceed, discuss payment options and ask if they are able to complete the vendor's questionnaire over the phone. A secure link will be sent to the vendor via email, allowing them to complete the payment and vendor's questionnaire if they were unable to do so over the phone. Once the vendor has confirmed their instructions over the phone, the searches will be ordered and the certificate of title and other relevant documents will be emailed to you. On the job overview screen, you will be able to view details of what was entered from the request itself. In the Job Notes section, you can write any instructions or additional information that you think we may need, such as, please call after 3 p.m. Once submitted, the job note will stay and both Eckermann Forms and the agents have access to all notes entered. Any files uploaded will show under the heading Attached Files. Both Eckermann Forms and agents have the ability to upload documents in this section. Eckermann Forms will keep you updated throughout the entire process to ensure an accurate and timely release of the Form 1. If you're unsure on what your login details are or have any queries, please contact our friendly team on 08 8366 7977 or info@eckermannforms.com and they will be more than happy to help. finally, if you require any support outside of traditional working hours, please contact Eckermann Assist on 08 8235 3944. This service is available Monday to Friday between 7am till 9pm and weekends and public holidays between 9am till 5pm. We hope this service offering helps simplify the Form 1 ordering process and look forward to receiving your requests.